This tutorial explains how to upload a video to YouTube. To start, sign into your Google account, go to the Google Apps menu, and find the YouTube app. If you don't see it listed, go to Google at Consumer Apps. Log in to request the additional apps. Adding YouTube to your Google Apps menu will make it easier to find your channel in the future. If you don't have the app, go to YouTube through your browser. Click the Create button and upload video. Here, you can drag and drop or select your file. This will generally be an MP4. For example, if you are uploading a Zoom recording, open the folder and find the MP4 file. While an MP4 is the recommended format, YouTube also supports several other video file formats, including MOV, AVI, WMV, MKV, WebM, FLV, and ProRes. And next, title your video and add a short description. To add some polish, you can upload a thumbnail image with pertinent details and a visual element that ties your videos together. A YouTube thumbnail is easy to create in Canva. Then go down to Audience and select No, Not for Kids. Here you can add subtitles by uploading a file, but note that YouTube will automatically add captioning to your video and will cover how to edit them in our next tutorial. With that, the video is uploaded with no copyright issues. Click Next to proceed to visibility. Most instructors choose Unlisted. This makes the video viewable to anyone with the link, but keeps your content hidden from search results and the general public. Avoid the private setting for course content. Private videos require you to invite viewers individually by entering their email addresses within YouTube Studio. And a private video cannot be embedded in Laumaku. With that, the video is saved to your channel and you have a YouTube link to share with students.